Hey, we're back on another one. We're fixing to yank this G35 right here. It's got expired tag. They've had an expired tag since March of 2020. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and yank this one up. See what happens. What's going on, man? Hey, all you gotta do is real easy. Just call the office. I did, but well, no, if you did, she'd mark it off to not tow it. Just call her. All you gotta do is talk to her. Anyway, for some reason, that gentleman, the G35, he's just not figured out, man. He's got to call the office. He pulled back around to the other side of the building, and he's driving the car around. All he's got to do is call. Real easy. This property manager, they're not mean here. They're actually pretty nice, but you have to call them. You fail to communicate, you can't get mad at somebody later on when your car gets yanked. We're up next on another one right here. Maybe we can get a hook on it before they come running out. It's just RAV4 right here. Anyway, a lot of people do this kind of work, and they hook the cars and they take off running. Yeah. I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna run from nobody. I just do this job the best I can. Whatever happens is gonna happen. But I'm expecting something to go down. Can't ride around out here like you know, like this is like it's safe to do. This job ain't safe. There's no question about that. Any minute somebody could come running from this building right behind me over here, and try to yank my truck door open and yank me out of the truck. They could do that if you know what I'm saying. That could happen. But there's gonna be repercussions to that. Anyway, I just pulled out of the office. That gentleman, the guy with the G35, he did call up there, and the girl in the office told him, look, you just you know, get your documentation as quick as you can. And she said, this time we're not going to tow it. So she basically gave him an extension, and that's all most of these people, I would say 90% of these cars we tow, if the owner of the car will contact the office manager and tell them exactly what's going on and with their situation, whether they're out of work or what the problem is, if they communicate with the managers won't tow. Dude from Cali right here getting his Camaro back. I don't think he was very happy about his car getting yanked. Anyway, we got this little Fusion right here. Got a lot of people coming in the comments, and they don't like me towing cars. But this is what I do, man. If you don't like towing videos, and you don't like seeing people get their cars yanked, then don't click on the Park and Revenge video. You get your feelings hurt about it, that's just what it is, man. As far as putting any negative comments in there and hurting my feelings, You ain't gonna hurt my feelings, man. This is what I do. I've heard everything you could possibly say. I've heard all the negative comments, everything else. I've heard it all. Anyway, we're gonna yank this car. We just yanked that Corolla. This is Amazon, some kind of Amazon driver, pretty sure. But this car here has been sitting there several months. You can tell the parking spots. You can tell it's been sitting there, but they're just taking up space for somebody else that needs to park up front with a car that ain't running. This blue one here, that's the one with no tag. I think we get that now. We got it now. I'm gonna have to lock it out. What's going on, bro? You ain't got no tag on it, man. You ain't got no tag on it, man.
Yeah, I'm about to get the tag, though.
Yeah. Yeah, hey, you had a week to office, and it's not up to me, it's up to the office.
Let me go talk to them, all right?
You're gonna have to pay it out, dude. I mean, you can pay it out if you want.
Pay what? How much?
It's a $100 drop fee on property. Hey, let me cut the truck off where we can hear each other. 1 second.
I'll take it off the property.
Well, the thing is, I'm already hooked to it, man. I'm already on it, man. I mean, it's...
Well, I can just go park it at their house, and it won't be on the property.
Let me cut this down. 1 second. Hey, I understand the situation. You don't want me to tow it, but my problem is when I show up to tow them, we hook the cars. They give me a list to tow, and I'll show you the car on the list.
I can go park it at my family, bro, and
I know.
it won't even be on the property
I know.
anymore. It won't be a problem.
The only problem is, man, is I bent down to hook this car, and I backed up to it. It's hooked, man. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I do this job. It's dangerous for me to even hook the cars. Period. I can't work for free. The office told me to remove this particular car, and this one.
I can remove it also, man.
I know that, but up until now, I'm already hooked to it. All I gotta do is pick up on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm already hooked to it.
Oh, come on, man. Just like.
Well,
I'll take it out of the property right now. I'll go park.
I understand. Listen, if you want to pay it out, I'm not trying to be harsh on you, man.
I just take it, man. I don't even.
Is it not run?
It does run. I can move it right now.
I want it.
Yeah, I can run. I'm not gonna give you 100 for that. But look, I'll get the title out the car. And
Get whatever you need to get out, man. Yeah. Hey, I'm not trying to bust your balls, man. It's just what I do, man. I'm not trying to be harsh, man. Anyway, I gave him the opportunity to pay it out. He acted like he's gonna come get it from the lot, but he could have, if he got somebody that's gonna help him get it out, or if he has the money. He said he wasn't giving me $100. This ain't, I guess he thinks this money was mine. He's not gonna give me $100, but he's gonna pay, he wasn't gonna give me $100 anyway. He's paying the company. I think he was misunderstood how this process goes, because some of these tow truck drivers, they just pocket people's money, and that's not what I do. I turn mine in. It's company, man. This shit's the company. This ain't no me riding around somebody else's truck collecting impound fees. That's not how it's supposed to work. The $100 drop fee goes to the company, and that's what it's for. That's what it's about. But anyway, everybody that don't watch the channel that often, you don't understand how it works. Some of these cars have been sitting here for months. Just because it's only been a week since they were stickered, that does not mean the cars have not been sitting here for months without tags. There's the Avalon on the back. It's got a July tag. I imagine it's been sitting here since July. But that's how it is. We're gonna roll to the yard.